In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a verification badge on your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're trying to look more credible to clients and employers, or you simply want to make your profile stand out in a professional way, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn account and go to your profile page. Once you're there, look for the Me icon at the top and tap on View Profile. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on Add Verification or Add a Verification Badge. This option usually appears right under your profile picture or near your headline. You'll see several options that help you verify your identity or workplace. For the blue badge next to your name, you'll want to choose Identity Verification. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're designed to be simple and secure, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have a valid government-issued ID, ensure your camera is working properly, and keep your phone nearby because you'll need it to scan a QR code. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, LinkedIn will show you a QR code on your desktop screen. Scan it using your phone, and it will open a secure verification page through Clear or LinkedIn's trusted identity partner. After that, align your face in the center of the frame so the system can scan and confirm your identity. Within a few minutes, you should be able to see your verification badge appear right next to your name without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double-check that your ID details match your LinkedIn information. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your account fully verified. If you also want to complete workplace verification, you can do that from the same section. It won't give you a public badge, but it does help confirm your employment to recruiters and strengthens your profile overall. Definitely worth doing. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add your LinkedIn verification badge easily and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?